Welcome to JVZoo Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a JV contract for your product. Now perhaps you've created an incredible software but you want to team up with a JV manager or a partner to help bring extra affiliates in and to actually get more sales for your software. Now setting this up inside JVZoo is incredibly easy, and the first step from the home screen here is to go to Sellers and Sellers Dashboard. Now here from the Sellers Dashboard you'll see there's lots of different options, but in this video we're going to focus on creating just the JV contracts. Now if you want to see other videos about how to create split tests, funnels, coupons and so much more, you'll find those videos down below. Now, go ahead and add a JV contract, and the first thing we need to do is give this agreement a name. Now, this needs to be a name that makes sense for you and also makes sense for your JV partner. So something like your name plus JV name plus product name, for example. Of course, you can name it whatever you want. Next, you want to come over here and select the product, and this will show all of your products that are currently available. Now remember, if you're going to set up a JV agreement to a funnel, you don't need to create additional JV agreements for your JV for each product in the funnel. You can simply select the funnel and they're going to be basically able to get their share of every sale of every product in the funnel. Now, of course, if you have an agreement where you're just going to give them a share of the front end sale, for example, then you don't need to use this. Here at JVZoo, we support 5 different agreement types: percentage profit share, so percentage price share, a flat fee per sale, a percentage affiliate consultant, and a flat fee affiliate consultant. Now, for the benefit of this demonstration, we're going to choose a flat fee per sale. So let's say you've agreed that every sale that comes in, you're going to give this partner $10. So a product sells for $47, they're going to get $10 every time this product makes a sale. You're going to enter in their affiliate ID, and this is something that they will be able to give you when you're creating this affiliate agreement. Now optionally, you can choose to set a start and an end date. You can set the maximum earnings as a dollar value or a maximum number of sales if that agreement exists between you. For this demonstration, we're going to leave all of those blank, and then we're going to go ahead and put that this agreement is active. Now, that's going to make the agreement live, and every sale, once this is made active, will now follow these rules, and automatically JVZoo will send this $10 to this agreement at the time of sale.